Hello, my name is Rutaisiri Reverian. I'm going to show you how I have created a collaborative course on Edmodo, and I will show you how I have added my content and some activities related to my area, subject area here. So now, first we have to go to new edmodo.com, new edmodo.com, and you have to go there, and then you will create a class. This is a new class. You can click here and you create a class here, and this is what I have created here. And for example, for my class here, I can create another one. I can join a class here. So for what I have designed here, the radiologic physics here, you can add some teaching materials, and you can add also some teaching or learning activities. For example, suppose you want to add a file like this. This is a PowerPoint presentation. You click here, one because here I have added this one. But if you go up here, you start a discussion, you share class materials like this one. You click inside, you can add some files or images. Here you can add some learning materials from the library, and so on and so on. And once you want, for example, to create a poll, you will click here, and this is the wellness check. If you click here, for example, you will see I'm great, I'm okay, I'm and I'm struggling, and so on, and you can post this. So now, after creating, for example, or adding a file, a teaching material or a learning material, you can also embed some videos. This is a video from the YouTube. Again, you can pass through this link. I have to remove them. So there, also you can add the file. You can add the file. Okay, that's nice. So let me show you. Once you have, those are posts. Once you have to add some folders, you will click here on the folders tab here. You will have to manage the folders like this. And here you can add a folder. And here you can see my folders here that I have created. So now, suppose for example you have created one folder, and the name here, I call it notes. You click inside. Once, for example, you want to create a quiz, you will click on new here, new quiz. If you want to add a link, you will click here. If you want to add a Word document or an Excel worksheet or PowerPoint presentation, also you will click here. So after this, suppose I have created all of these. So now this is my class. If, for example, you have designed a quiz, let me a quiz, for example, no, an assignment, for example, here, an assignment. You can view the assignment as you want, and here during the once you are creating an assignment, you can also assign someone to this assignment, and it means that you can send the link to the your student. And here, for example, this is my student, it's a colleague, and I made her I made her my student, and I sent a link to her. So now, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.